To add a signature to your Gmail like this one, all you need to do is to go to Gmail settings, click this little cog icon and choose to see all settings. In the General tab, scroll down to the signature. You can see that I already have this signature, but let's create another one. You can have more than one signature. Click Create New and name it. As I saw on other videos, many people tend to create signatures by typing and editing text and images inside this box. I'm too lazy to do that, so I found a free signature generator online. You have a link in the description. For me, it's not perfect, but it will get the job done very quickly. Mainly because it's really free, but you can Google other generators and see if you can find a better one. Start by turning this off, created by Hubspot. Choose your template on the left side. Now click on the second tab over here and fill in some information. I'll put some random data inside just to see how it looks. Click on the third tab and choose the colors and size. In the image section, you can use your LinkedIn or image or Facebook image. Go to your LinkedIn profile, right-click on your profile image and select Open Image in the new tab. Now just copy the URL address of the image into the field. You can do this with any image online. Click Create Signature. Click Copy Signature, and now just paste the signature to your Gmail. Select your signature in these signature defaults and Gmail will automatically add a signature to every mail you send. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now when you are sending mail, you will have your signature applied. And this is it, a quick video about how to add signature to your Gmail. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a lazy day.